welcome to the Masked Reader. I've got a poem for you. It's called You Can. If you think you're beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a cinch that you won't. If you think you're outclassed, you are. You've got to think high to rise. You've got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win the prize. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger or the faster man, but sooner or later the one who wins is the one who thinks he can. So there's my poem, but who am I? Well, here's some clues for you. I always talk about aspiration and working hard, which is why this poem was chosen. I don't like it when you don't tuck your shirt in, and I always ask you to be quiet in the corridors. I get very cross when you're mean to people, or if people are unkind or don't treat each other equally. But I give out stickers when you live by our school values. Who am I? Have you worked it out?